Welcome to DTutors YouTube channel, where we teach you everything you need to know about financial market and making money online. I am so excited to have you and can't wait to share my knowledge and experience with you because I've been in the market since 2017. Now, if you're looking to learn how to invest wisely, grow your wealth, and create a successful online business, then you have come to the right place. Our videos are designed to both be informative and engaging, providing you with the practical tips and strategies that can help you to implement right away. So if you want to stay ahead of the game and take control of your financial future, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the post notification. Now, you won't afford to miss the next video coming. All you need to do is to stay connected. Now, thanks for stopping by and see you in the video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to qualify for the Zksync Airdrop. Now, this is going to be another big airdrop that is going to be coming. This is one of the ecosystem of Zksync Era Alpha Mainnet, and it's very important. Now, the way we know Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and JoeSwap, these are decentralized exchanges running on all of these platforms. So this is a decentralized exchange running on Zksync Era Alpha Mainnet. Very important. So by interacting with this platform, puts you an opportunity to qualify for the upcoming airdrop. I remember back in 2021 when I was using Uniswap, I didn't know that I was going to get a Uniswap airdrop. So I was just interacting, buying so many different projects because everybody was excited about DeFi. By September of that year, I was given about $1,500 free just by interacting with that protocol. So you have that opportunity right now just to interact with this protocol and you stand a chance to qualify for this airdrop. Now, before you do that, you need to, bridge your Ethereum from layer 1 to layer 2. That's the first step, bridging your Ethereum from layer 1 to layer 2. So let's go to Zksync, Era mainnet. So this is the website, which is portal.zksync.io. Once you go to this website, you find yourself here. As you can see, I have about $218 right here. I've already bridged my Ethereum from layer 1 to layer 2. So, but how do you do that? It is very simple. Just go to this section of bridge, click on bridge, then you can see what to do. Now, if you have your Ethereum on Ethereum mainnet, you will see the Ethereum value that you have right here. You just type in the amount of Ethereum you want to send. So if you want to send 0.1 Ethereum or 0.05, depending on what you want to do, if you type it, you will see this deposit option will tick blue. Now, once you click on deposit, you do some network confirmation. Now, you just have to wait up to 5 minutes for your token to show. Sometimes it will be more than 5 minutes. So you just have to bear that in mind. It can be 5 minutes, it can be less than 5 minutes, but it can also be more than 5 minutes. So just know what to do. You just have to pay maybe $10 to $15 gas fee for you to do that. So let's go to the option of wallet. As you can see, I've already I've already sent Ethereum to this particular wallet. So the next step is to go back to Zkswap website. So once you come here, this is like every other decentralized exchange. You can see the option of trade. You can see the option of pool if you want to add liquidity, reward for people who staked, launch, or maybe they're going to be having option of launching a project in the future. Portfolio, you can also do the option of bridging. These are different things they do. These are their features or their services. But the one I'm going to be sharing with you is for you to trade, make a trade. You can also add liquidity if you want to, if you know how to do that. That's going to be another video I'm going to be doing on how to add liquidity in so many different liquidity pools for you to earn, residual income. Though there are pros and cons about it, so you need to know what you're doing so that everything has a little risk on it. So let me do some transaction right here. I want to use 75% of my Ethereum. Click on it. You can do any amount of your choice, or let me just do 0.1. Let me do 0.1 because it can also put me on opportunity to earn more airdrop. So click on swap. So the best thing is for you to click on swap. You just have to swap, the way we do it on, using our Uniswap or any of the decentralized exchange. swap your Ethereum to USDC or USDT or any of the pair anything you want to do. So this is the first thing to do. Just do this, confirm it, then swap your USDC back to Ethereum. So this is the first step. I think that's the major thing you need to do. You can also add liquidity if you want. These are the two things you can do right now. There is no option of bridging right now. If you can want to use the option of bridging, you can also use their bridging option right here if you want to do bridging. But I can't recommend bridging at the moment. If you want to use Orbital Finance to do the bridging from here, I can't really recommend this. But the main thing I can recommend is for you to, interact with the, trade option, trade Ethereum back to USDC, Ethereum to USDC. All of these things, these are the first thing you need to do. So you can actually use this bridge, but I didn't do this. The only thing I do was to trade. That is the only thing I did. I just have to tell you guys, use the option of trading. I interacted with this protocol by swapping my Ethereum to USDC and USDC back to Ethereum. So that is the only thing I think is good. Even if you want to do it maybe 10 times, 20 times, and all of these things you're doing also add up to your volumes. It add up to your volume of transaction you have done. That can also determine if you're going to get more bigger airdrop. Because I remember in Arbitrum I did a lot of transaction, and I also qualified for the people that did more than $10,000 transaction. So I was able to get more bigger airdrop. So if you can come to this platform, interact with this protocol by trading multiple times, swapping from Ethereum to USDC, USDC to Ethereum. All of these things can add up so much that you can actually make big money from the airdrop. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.